So we've already talked about how teaming can expand your knowledge and capture value. Well, what is the disadvantage of working with yourself as opposed to working with a team? Uh, it's almost the inverse of what we talked about, but I'll call it out here is the disadvantage of working by yourself as opposed to the team moving forward is you potentially only see one side of the tree. You've all heard if you're a tree in a forest, you've only ever seen the views around you. You've only ever seen one side of all of the trees and wildlife around you. You don't have another perspective. You don't have another vision kind of mixing and matching with yours to create something better. So you might miss things. You might overlook something that somebody with different experience might be able to capture and maybe bring to light. You might move too fast when it's time to go slow. You might go too slow when it's time to go fast. And unless you have these discussions with people that can give this different perspective, you may or may not see what's on the other side of the trees. So I highly recommend, like we've said in the past, any form of teaming. This is not complicated. This isn't getting 25 people in a room to solve something. This could be one person. It could be two people that you get together. They could be friends of yours, and you can say, hey, let me run this by you. Can you poke holes in it? Can you tell me what could go wrong if? Could you ask me questions and just let me listen in on what you're thinking after you hear me speak? These are things that can allow you to capture potential mistakes before they actually take place.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comment.